Those nuns used to yell, "You'll never be enough. Get off that stage." They were mean, they were tough. I sang Slim Dusty in front of the boys. I was caned and shamed for Unholy Noise. I divorced 2 kids, the chaos, the mess, the juggling and the jobs and the change in address. I bought a guitar, I took lessons to sing, but I failed at trying to fit it all in. You howl at the moon, you howl at the moon and shoot for the stars. From silence and shadow your voice holds all scars. No cage contain your wild sacred voice. Let's love our unholy noise. How can you sing when you're scared to be heard? When silence feels safer than speaking a word. You open your mouth, let it crack, let it break. The voice that they buried was yours to remake. 3 decades have passed, this body's grown wise. I've traded my things for the wild open skies. My bus is my temple, my heart is free, and I ride just with the sun, the goddess in me. You howl at the moon and shoot for the stars. From silence and shadow your voice holds all stars. No cage contain the wild sacred voice. Let's love our unholy noise. Let's love